Hello everybody. Now I would like to tell or explain about the P&G water pump with the big drum. You can see in front of me there is a wire, right? It's well around wide 2 meter, and the depth not so deep, around 5 or 6 meter deep. So in order to suck or to pull the water by this drum through this pipe, right? They we call P&G water pump, and this is a input pipe, or we can call other like input pipe. So and very special, and I used to see the other video just use this project at the river or at the pool or at the basin. But this video is very special. They will use with the well, right? The pool of suck the water from the well, even it's deep or shallow. Okay, and you can see one valve in front of me. Because valve for refilling the water, right? And the up one that you use for the same refill the water, or the for the air when the refill come out by this one. And you can see the blue drum, the big one, right? Especially we have to use the metal drum, cannot use with the plastic drum. Why? Because the metal drum is stronger than plastic drum. It can make sure I can make the pressure for sucking or to suck the water from the well, right? Not only use in this well, you can use in other place with the river or as well other. Okay. And before make sure it can suck or have the pressure, we have to close the valve properly. And you can see the connecting between the pipe and pipe. We have to use the glue, right? Make sure it's no leaking any air or water as well. And you can see the big pipe here, right? We call output pipe. Output pipe usually we use with the big ear, and output pipe usually it's bigger than input pipe here. Right? You can see the size, not the same. Input pipe, the small one, right? And output pipe, the big one. Why we use like this? Because I can make the pressure to pull the water from the well through the input pipe. Okay, and I would like to remind all of you, when you connect between pipe and pipe, all of you have to use the glue. Make sure no any air or water is come out, no leaking as well. Okay. And here you can see one pipe, right? Here, each we call air pressure. Air pressure is very important for P&G water pump, right? Air pressure. Air pressure, why we use? Because during we process our project, the purple or the air will come back from the end, right? Will come back from the end through this input pipe. When it arrive here, the air pressure pipe, it can stuck or stop the air. Yes, it right here, and it will push the air back to the end. Make sure it cannot through the air pressure this pipe go into the drum, like the drum. If the air is go back to the drum cannot make the pressure to suck or to pull water from the valve as properly. Yeah, have to remember this one. Okay. And then let's see the end of the pipe, how is work, right? You can see at the end we use one valve here for close sing or open, right? Sing or open each. Okay, we start open. Okay, and then now please see how it works. I will open the valve here. Wow, right? For the water, for the flowing water or the come out water, the first is just strong, right? And then strong. So if we leave or remain it around 10 or 15 minutes, keeps it low. If it still flow out, our project process. But during around 10 or 50 minutes, when we leave, if you have any flowing water or stop flowing, maybe our project not process, not process or not successful, not successful. Why? Because of our work, our installation, like have any leaking, have any air, have any water is come out by a pipe or by through the connecting pipe. Okay. Okay. Then now I will. Oh, maybe you hear the sound of the sound of sucking or the sound of pulling water in this drum. Wow, so strong. Our project successful because have the sound in this drum. Did pull water from the well, right? Success. Oh, wow, the sound is strong. If you also use the plastic drum, it cannot suck the water from the well properly because it's not strong like metal drum like this. Okay. And I think that you also have any question or anything that you want to ask us, you can ask us by commentation below this video. I hope see you next video. Bye bye. That you spend the time to see our explanation.